Magandang araw mga bata! Ako si Ma'am Regine, ang teacher mo sa math. Sa video na ito ay ating bibigyang kasagutan ang katanungan ng ating mga grade 7 na mga mag-aaral. Paano ko nga bang sasagutan ang mga learning tasks sa module? Ito ang ating module for quarter 2 ng Mathematics grade 7. This is an SLM or self-learning module. What is a self-learning module? It is designed to provide information, activities, and new learning that the learners need to work on. As a learner, it will help you attain the prescribed grade-level knowledge, skills, attitude, and values at your own pace outside the normal classroom setting. Ano ang kaibahan ng ating module for quarter 2 mula doon sa module natin for quarter 1? Ang module na ito for quarter 2 ay naglalaman ng pivot assessment card for learners na matatagpuan sa page 38 na naglalaman ng personal assessment on learners' level of performance. Ito ang pivot assessment card for learners. Meron itong mga instructions at ito yung mga i-input natin na symbols dito sa mga padlang sa LP or level of performance. Discuss natin isa-isa. This is the distribution of learning tasks per week for quarter 2. Mula sa week 1, sa ilalim nito meron tayong learning task 1 to 8. LP ay yung level of performance. Ito yung mga blanks na lalagyan mo ng sagot mo na symbol. Mula week 1 hanggang week 8. Ang module for quarter 2 ng Mathematics ay naglalaman ng lessons for week 1 hanggang week 8. Pero unlike other subjects, meron lamang itong learning tasks hanggang learning task 3. Kaya naman hindi natin sasagutan yung learning tasks 4 to 8. Ang lalagyan lamang natin ng symbol for level of performance ay mula sa learning task 1 to 3 for week 1 to week 8. At sa Mathematics, magkasama iyong lesson for week 1 and 2 dahil mahaba iyong topic for measurement. Kaya iyong mga ilalagay mo rito na symbols ay ganun din ang ilalagay mo rito sa week 2. Iba-iba naman yung lessons natin for week 3 hanggang week 8. Ano-ano nga ba ang ilalagay natin na symbol dito sa LP or level of performance? Star. I was able to do or perform the task without any difficulty. The task helped me in understanding the target, content, or lesson. Ilalagay natin dito ang star sa mga patlang na ito kung na-perform natin ng maayos yung mga learning tasks na hindi nahihirapan gaano. Aside from star, we also have the check mark. I was able to do or perform the task. It was quite challenging but it still helped me in understanding the target, content, or lesson. Kung hindi star ang ating ilalagay, pwedeng check mark. It means na nagawa mo rin iyong performance task, itong mga learning task na nandito sa ating module. However, nahirapan kang sagutan ito. At kung hindi naman star symbol or check mark, pwedeng ang ilagay mo ay question mark. I was not able to do or perform the task. It was extremely difficult. I need additional enrichment activities to be able to do or perform this task. Kung hindi natin ilalagay ang star or check mark dito sa mga patlang sa level of performance, pwede naman na check mark ang ilagay natin. It means na hindi na-perform yung task kasi sobrang nahihirapan ng bata. Isa pang feature ng module natin for second quarter na wala sa quarter 1 ng Mathematics ay, ang quarter 2 ay merong answer key. Ito ay makikita natin sa page 39. Dahil ito ay self-learning module, it is expected that the learners will be learning from the module. Babasahin nila yung content, and then sasagutan nila yung mga performance task. After nilang magsagot ay sila din yung mag-a-assess sa sarili nila. Sila yung mag-check ng kanilang sagot, kaya merong sagot sa likod. At dahil may answer key ang module na ito for second quarter na Mathematics, ito ay nagtatanong ng how and why. So instead of just giving out the answers, you will be asked how. Paano mo nakuha yung sagot? How did you arrive with the answer? How? Show your solution. Why? Bakit ito ang sagot? Explain in 1 to 2 sentences. Kaya para sa mga videos natin kung paanong sasagutan ng learning tasks, ilalagay natin kung paanong sinasagutan ng how. We will be showing the solutions and why, explaining the answer. those questions that do not require solution, ang gagawin natin ay i-explain natin ang sagot. This video focuses on the week 4 of the 4A Cube MELC-based grade 7 mathematics module for quarter 2 lesson 4. Meron tayong video na ginawa patungkol rito, addition and subtraction of polynomials. Week 4 ng ating module for quarter 2 ng mathematics ay tungkol sa addition and subtraction of polynomials. Meron tayong tatlong learning tasks na napapaloob dito. Learning task 1 ay nasa D part or discussion. Ito ay matatagpuan sa page 19. Learning task 2 naman ay nasa E part or evaluation sa page 21. At ang learning task 3 ay nasa A part or assessment sa page 21 rin. Magdako tayo sa learning task 1. Ito ang makikita natin for learning task 1. Find the value of the expression given the value of the variables. Meron tayo ritong 5 given expressions. Ang gagawin natin ay kukunin natin yung value nila by substituting yung value ng given variable. Ito yung ating example kung paano siya ginagawa. Evaluating algebraic expressions. An expression can have a value if you replace the variable with a number and perform the operations involved. Bigay tayo ng example. First example, find the value of 3x plus 5 if x is equal to 2. Ang ating algebraic expression ay 3x plus 5. Kukunin natin ang kanyang value kung itong x na to, itong variable ay papalitan natin ng 2. First, write down the given, 3x plus 5. Next, substitute. Replace the variable by 2 kasi 2 yung binigay sa atin na value ni x. Pag nakita natin na magkadikit lamang no symbol, it implies multiplication. Kaya ito ay magiging 3 multiplied to 2 plus 5. Then perform the operation. Following the GEMDAS rule, we have to multiply first before we can add. Itong GEMDAS ay ating na-discuss sa lesson 3. The GEMDAS rule is very important when evaluating algebraic expressions. You need to follow the sequence of GEMDAS for you to get the right value. Kaya naman dito, mag-multiply na muna tayo. 3 times 2, tsaka tayo mag-add. 3 times 2 is 6, and then add it to 5. Ang sagot natin ay 11. Therefore, the value of this algebraic expression 3x plus 5 is 11. Next example, find the value of this algebraic expression. This is read as the quotient of 6ab minus c and abc. If a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 10. First, write the given, and then substitute them. 6 is a constant. Hindi natin siya kailangang baguhin. This is a constant number. Variables lamang yung ating babaguhin ng value. So, yung a, itong dalawang A ay papalitan natin ng 5. Ang dalawang B ay papalitan natin ng 3. And then yung C ay papalitan natin ng 10. And then let's perform the operation according to GEMDAS. 90 minus 10 over 150. Saan nanggaling itong mga numbers na ito? 90 ay nanggaling dito sa 6 times 5 times 3. Pwede rin naman na 3 times 5 times 6. Dahil itong tatlong ito ay under ng associative property of multiplication. Kahit pagbalik-baliktarin mo sila, iisa lang naman ang sagot, 90. And then copy minus 10. Next, saan nakuha ang 150? 5 times 3 times 10. Pwede rin na 10 times 3 times 5. Under din ito ng rule na associative property of multiplication. Pwede natin siyang balik-baliktarin and we'll still arrive with the same answer, 150. Next natin gawin ay, kailangan na muna natin i-perform yung nasa taas bago tayo makapag-proceed dito sa baba. 90 minus 10 is equal to 80. Now, we have two ways on how we can arrive with the answer or evaluate this expression. First, we can simply divide 80 by 150 because this bar refers to division. 80 divided by 150 is approximately estimated to 0.53 when rounded off to the nearest hundreds. So, yung isang sagot dito ay possible na 0.53. Aside from decimal number, pwede rin natin siyang maging sagot into a fraction. Since 80 over 150 ay malaki pang fraction, pwede natin siyang isimplify na lamang divided by 10. 10 is the GCF or greatest common factor between 80 and 150. Ang sagot natin ay 8/15. Ito yung simplified na form ng 80 over 150. So, ang sagot dito, sa expression na ito ay pwedeng dalawa. It's either 8/15 or 0.53. Dahil ang value naman ng 8/15 ay ganun din. Approximately estimated to the nearest hundred, 0.53 din. Pareho lang sila ng value. Pag tayo ay nag-evaluate ng expression, it's very important that we follow the rule of GEMDAS. GEMDAS is an acronym. G stands for group, E for exponent, MD stands for multiplication and division, AS stands for addition and subtraction. Nauuna dapat lagi yung group, pangalawa yung exponent, pangatlo yung multiplication and division, at pang-apat yung addition and subtraction. Ang GEMDAS ay isang rule na nagsasabi kung anong operation yung dapat mauna. Lagi na dapat nauuna yung mga naka-group. Kapag group together, ibig sabihin either naka-enclose siya sa parenthesis tulad nito, kailangan muna natin itong i-perform bago tayo makapag-multiply. Dahil group muna bago multiplication. Kapag naman may nakikita tayong exponent, kailangan muna natin siyang i-perform bago tayo makapag-multiply or add. Pero, bago yung exponent, yung group muna. Multiplication and division naman ay parehong pangatlo. Laging mauuna tayong mag-multiply or divide kesa mag-add or subtract. Pero, say for example, sa expression, ang given lang ay multiplication and division. It doesn't mean na kailangan laging nauuna yung multiplication kaysa division dahil pareho naman silang pangatlo. It will follow left to right. Kung multiplication and division lang yung available, kung ano yung nauuna, from left to right, yun ang una natin i-perform. Say for example, 8 divided by 2 multiplied to 5. Kailangan muna nating mag-divide kaysa mag-multiply kasi pareho naman silang pangatlo. Hindi laging dapat unahin yung multiplication. Same thing sa addition and subtraction. Pareho silang pang-apat. So, kung ang available lang natin na operation ay addition and subtraction lang at wala yung iba. Say for example, ito. Addition and subtraction lang. Doesn't necessarily mean na dapat laging nauuna yung addition kaysa subtraction. Say for example, baliktad ito. 5xy minus x plus 4. So, mauuna tayong mag-subtract kaysa mag-add. Kaya kailangan natin mag-subtract muna bago mag-add kung nandito yung minus. Pero since dito, sa case na to, nauna naman yung addition, so unahin yung atin yung addition. Isa-isahin natin yung mga given expression. Number 1, 3x plus 5. Yung xi, sa-substitute natin ng 2. Nakikita natin dito sa expression, multiplication and addition. Multiplication ay nauuna sa addition. So, mag-multiply muna, and then yung sagot dito ay add sa 5. Number 2, 5xy plus x minus 4. Substitute natin yung xi, sinubstitute ng negative 3, at yung y naman ay pinalitan ng 5, dahil ito yung given natin. Dito sa expression na to, nakikita natin na may tatlong operation. Kailangan nating mag-multiply, at kailangan din nating mag-add and subtract. Sabi sa GEMDAS, nauuna ang multiplication kaysa sa addition and subtraction. So, unahin mong mag-multiply. I-multiply mo muna itong si 5 kay negative 3 at positive 5. Multiply mo silang tatlo. Pag may sagot ka na dyan, i-add mo kay negative 3 tsaka mo ibawas kay negative 4. Dahil nauuna si addition kaysa kay subtraction from left to right. Next, yung number 3, 6ab minus c over abc. Substitute natin, yung A ay papalitan ng 5, yung B papalitan ng 3, at yung C papalitan ng 10. For number 3, meron tayong example nito kung paano itong sinusolve doon sa video na pinanood natin kanina. For number 4, 3 multiply to xy plus 6. So, group together dito si xy plus 6. Papalitan mo yung x ng negative 6 at yung y ng negative 1. Kaya ganito yung kanya magiging itsura. Since group together yung xy plus 6, kailangan mo muna siyang i-perform bago ka makapag-multiply sa 3 sa labas. Multiplication muna before addition. Multiply mo to, negative 6 by negative 1. Yung sagot mo ay add mo kay 6, at yung sagot mo dito sa kanila ay multiply mo kay 3. Yung last naman natin ay 2x plus 5 over 3x minus y. Papalitan natin yung x ng negative 3 at yung y ng negative 8. Same process, katulad ng number 3. That's it for our video for today, mga bata. Hangad ko na natutunan nyo kung paano nga bang sasagutan ang mga learning tasks sa Module 4, Quarter 2. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and teacher mo sa math for more grade 7 mathematics contents. Also, like and share this video para mas marami pa akong mga batang grade 7 na tulad mo ang maabot at maturuan dahil ako si Ma'am Regine, ang teacher mo sa math.